Anybody who wishes Kano to develop will not allow violence, because we have seen what violence has been doing to other countries, even developed countries. If you take example of Arab Spring, where it started in Tunisia, Tunisia is never peaceful up to today, because people took protests against their leaders. Likewise, Egypt. Likewise, if you come to the other side, North Africa, Libya, anytime people revolt against their leaders, it will take them another 100 years before they stabilize. So we have been preaching this gospel to people of Kano State, and people really believe in us. And that's why today you see it in the outcome of this judgment, that nobody want to come out to make protests that may likely lead to violence. We have seen actually some pocket of people around, especially around Gidamuritala. I went, I led personnel to that place. I told them quietly to leave, and they all left. None of them. What interests me more is that those people who came out is just because they are anticipating victory and they want to celebrate. But we told them that they should go and listen to their radios and televisions, not to come and gather in a place that some other people can misunderstood them. They all left. And none of them was carrying any weapon. That's why we find it even difficult to use any force. But rather, we only persuade them to go, and they all left peacefully. So Kano people have been wonderful people, and with this, I'm optimistic that Kano is likely to be one of the most peaceful states in Nigeria. This is my hope, and I believe with what is happening today, Kano will remain peaceful ever. Even the other political party that lost in the Supreme Court, we have received a lot of calls that they are not ready to do anything. They have accepted the will of God, and our call to their followers is that they should keep calm. Right now, when you came, I was having meeting with the management, operation department, in order to talk to all the DPOs and area commanders in the state capital and the local governments, that tonight they should sustain vigilance in all locations. People may likely go on a kind of celebration, jubilation that to some extent may attract violent reaction from the opposite side. We told them that there is no need for them to be recklessly riding motorcycles or recklessly driving vehicles just to register this thing, because they are alive. It is only when they are alive that they can celebrate, and they will see and enjoy the dividend of democracy. If you go into all this recklessness and kill yourself or injure yourself, what the government of Kano State is going to give you will not reach you, because it is only when you are alive you will be part of it. His Excellency in the past have done it a lot to people. Some people have been sponsored for education. They have gone overseas. Some people have been trained in order. All the people of Kano State, we know they are ambitious. So if you really have an ambition, just stay alive, respect the law, and never take law into your hands.